In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing updates in Asana, refresh, reload, and sign back in. If Asana looks out of date or you're not seeing the latest tasks, comments, or project changes, a quick refresh is often all you need. Let's walk through a simple, reliable sequence to get everything back in sync. First, open Asana in your browser or the desktop app. If you're in a browser, click the refresh button at the top of your window, or press Ctrl plus R on your keyboard. This forces the page to reload from Asana's servers rather than relying on anything stale on your device. Give it a moment to complete. You'll often see a brief loading indicator while your workspace, projects, and tasks rehydrate. If you use the desktop app instead, close and reopen the app. Make sure you fully quit the application rather than just minimizing it, then launch it again. Reopening starts a fresh session and prompts Asana to pull the newest data, which can quickly resolve display or syncing hiccups. Next, wait for Asana to reload your projects and tasks. Depending on the size of your workspace and your connection speed, this can take a few seconds. Be patient and let the interface finish loading before you click around. You might notice activity indicators or counts updating as the latest information arrives. Now check whether the missing updates appear. Look over the specific project or task you were concerned about and scan your inbox or My Tasks for new activity. If you were expecting status changes, new subtasks, or recent comments, confirm they're now visible. A successful refresh typically restores the latest assignments, due dates, and progress markers across your boards and lists. If things still don't look current, sign out of Asana and sign back in. Use the account or profile menu to log out, then sign in again with your usual method. This resets your session and authentication, which helps clear out any lingering sync issues and prompts a complete data refresh from Asana's backend. After you log back in, return to the same project or task and verify that everything is up to date. That's it. Open Asana, refresh or relaunch it, wait for the reload to finish, confirm your updates, and if needed, sign out and back in. These quick actions resolve most cases where changes don't appear right away, so you can get back to work with confidence that you're seeing the most current information.